Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars Student College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, good morning to all of you. Inshallah, we are going to start our class formally. So please let me know top line, right side, left side, light and sound quality. Is everything okay? Can we start our class? So please in the comment section you can give your attendance and also you can invite your friends to connect with us. Inshallah, we will complete today exercise 3.3 which is integers. So dear students, be prepared quickly and just invite your friends to connect with us. Yes sir, everything clear, sound is okay. Inshallah, we will discuss our class. My dear students, yesterday we have taken a class in the Zoom apps. In the boys session I have done question number 11 and question number 12. But in the girls session I have also completed question number 13. So inshallah today we will revise 13 and then we will do a creative question which is question number 14. So dear students, this is the content related with the exercise, the maths, the exercise 3.3, exercise 3.3, page number 87. So first we will do one maths from the question number. So now this is the question number 14. We will do this one first. Creative question. This is number 14. So dear students, creative question number 14. We see here number 14 -3, 6, 9 are three integers. Are three integers. Are three integers. Number A, the first question. Put the sign. Greater, smaller or equal. The greater, smaller or equal. In between -3 and 6. -3 and 6. The second one is 9 and -3. Next one is -3 plus 6 and 9 minus 6. This is the first question A. The question number B. Determine the value of -3 plus -6 plus 9. Then the question number C is using number line determine the sum of number line determine the sum of -3 and 6, and the difference of, and the question is, and the difference of, and difference of 9 and 6. So dear students, today we will discuss these creative questions. Please write down the questions properly. If you have maths book, just give attention. The question number A, B and C. Dear students, in the comment section, write me your name, those who can do this math properly. Anyone? Is there anyone who can do this maths? Already we have done this number, identify the greater one and smaller one by using number line. And this is related with the question number 13, and simplification, already we have done this maths. This is addition of two number and the subtraction of two number by using number line. So dear students, please in the comment section you can write your name if it should be possible to you to complete this math properly. Sir, yes I can. Thank you sir. Okay, maximum students, I think absolutely you are writing your name. Cannot do this math Zoom class because I didn't show the routines. ওকে স্যার, যারা জুম ক্লাসটি মিস করেছো তোমাদের কাজটি আমি এডিট করে আপলোড করেছি, তোমরা দেখতে পারবে। সো নো প্রবলেম স্যার, আই ক্যান ডু দিস ওয়ান। থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার, ম্যাক্সিমাম স্টুডেন্ট you are writing that you can do this maths. Okay dear students, now I will do this maths one by one. So just review your answer with me. The question number A, first we can answer is the solution. This is the first A, I think, solution, and this is A. In between, if we add here the number line, -3 is smaller than, first question, -3 is smaller than, -3 is smaller than 6. The first one complete. Then second, 9 is greater than, 9 is greater than -3. And here number 2, the third part is given here, -3 plus 6. Here -3 plus 6 equal 3, and the second part given a 9 minus 6 equal 3. So -3 plus 6 equal 9 minus 6 because their value is same. So first question, the first step, -3 is smaller than 6, and we know all negative number will be smaller than any positive number, and this is the 9 which is greater than -3. And this third part, there are two numbers in left side, -3 plus 6, and this one is 9 minus 6. So doing calculation, we see both case they have the same result. So this one is -3 plus 6 equal 9 minus 6. So dear students, please let me know if you have any question. Please let me know. Dear students, please, if you have any question, please let me know. Okay, now we will do the second question, the question number B. This is the solution of first question, and then now question number B. Question number B, determine the value of. So given numbers are integers at the given that the value, okay, this is -3 and plus -6, and this is +9. The question number B. So, dear students, I think already we have done this maths in the question number 13, also 12. So now, which one will be first? Before this bracket, you see here there is a minus. So minus multiply with inside the operation sign inside the first bracket. This is the minus, multiply another minus. This one will be plus. The plus 3, my plus multiply with minus. This one will be minus, and there will be plus 9. So this is the first number. If we see here the positive sign in the first number, no need to use this sign. If you use this one will be correct. If you do not write this sign, it also be correct. But if the first sign is minus, you must have to write here. So first, now give attention. There are 3 integers, plus 3, minus 6 and plus 9. There are 2 integers. There are positive integers, another integers is negative. So add the all positive, 3 plus 9. They are positive integer and remaining one negative integers. 9 plus 3, this one is 12 minus 6, and our answer is 6. So we can write here answer equals 6. So dear students, please let me know. Answer is 6. Absolutely right answer. Answer is 6. Thank you. Hadi to have Hasin, thank you. Answer sir. B number I didn't understand. Okay. Jahal, okay, I will discuss this one again. No problem, sir. Give attention, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am at how many friends he goes to Eto. Okay, dear students, if you have any question, please let me know. Or if you have no question, you can write here understood or yes or done. Thank you, sir. Absolutely right answer is 6. Thank you. Any more question? I think within a short time you can copy this maths in your homework copy or classwork copy, and then now erasing the first one, I have to do question number C. Okay. Is it complete to copy in your classwork copy? Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir. Understood. Absolutely right answer. Okay, dear students, now we will discuss here question number C. Yes, B answer is absolutely B answer is 6. Thank you, sir. Copy is also done. Now we will discuss the question number C here. The question number C, if we start writing the solution here, the question number C, we can write here. The first one, determine the sum of. Determine the sum of. Find the sum of. Do the sum of minus 3 and 6 by using number line. Do the sum of. Do the sum of. Do the sum of minus 3 and 6, minus 3 and 6 by using number line. So do the sum of by using number lines. Dear students, let us draw a number line here. I think already you know how to find this sum. This is the first. Use a number line here. This should be straight line. So this is the right side arrow. This is left side arrow. And the middle number, this one will be 0. And now divide. They are the positive integers. There are positive integers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9. And there are negative integer minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. It will depend up to your number. If we see here the number 12, so we will increase up to 12 or 15. If we see here minus 10, so this will be less. So this number line step completely depend on the given number. If the given number are large, then the scale will be large. So now the positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the negative number, this one, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Write down here the figure name number line. This is figure number line. Okay. Dear students, give attention. If you have missed the first few class, now I think if you give attention, you can complete. This is -3. -3 add with +6. So first number is -3. -3 started from 0. -3 started from 0. And now -3 indicate us 3 step left from 0. I am repeating this one again. -3 indicate us 3 step left from 0, because this is the negative integer, this side for the negative integers. So first step, second step, third step. This one up to -3. So dear students, -3 and this line, indicating line, started from 0 and completed at -3. You have to use here direction arrow and just mention the number. This one is -3. Now the add with 6. So where the first number is completed, second number will start from that number. The -3 started from 0, completed at -3 step. So second number will start from -3. Second number 6 will start from -3, and the 6 indicate us positive integers. So positive integer 6, we can now count here the move 6 step to right side, because this number is positive number. 6 is positive number, that's why we will move right side from the number where first number is completed. So first number completed in 3. Now second number will started, first number completed at -3. Now second number started from -3. Now 6 step right side. This positive number indicate us 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step. This is up to, there is up to 3. So now the direction line we have to show here. Direction line, there is a direction line -3 to 6, and this is the +6, and the second number completed. Second number completed at +3 integers, so that's why answer will be +3. The first line completed -3, then we started the second line which is completed at 3, so answer is 3. My dear student, yes, answer is absolutely, answer is 3. Now we have to write the number line step. So dear students, let us add. So we can start it from here. Step writing. Now let us add -3 with 6 by using number line. This is the first step. First we move 3 steps left from 0. First we move 3 steps left. 3 steps left from 0 and reach at -3. And first we move, then we move 6 steps at the right side of -3 and reached at 3. So -3 plus 6 will be 3. The answer is 3. So my dear students, this is the proper way to write this step writing. If you have any question, please let me know, and please note down this one in your classwork copy. Yes, you have to draw this number line by using the pencil. Number line or any types of figure, almost we use the pencil, not pen. Yes, the number line, definitely you have to use your pencil. Thank you, sir. Any kind of figure, almost to use the pencil, not pen. No question, sir. Side, please. Thank you. My dear students, please note down this maths in your classwork copy quickly. We will start second part doing. My dear students, please do comments. Is it complete to note down? Okay, sir. Is there anyone who didn't copy? Okay, done, sir. Thank you, sir. We will discuss the second question. Okay, dear students, I think if you have no question, we will start here the difference of 9 and 6. So, difference, find the difference by, I think we can use this number line again. Find the difference of, by using number line, find the difference of, okay, by using number line, find the difference of, by using number line, find the difference of 9 and 6. This is the first step, the 9 and 6. Let us find the difference. We don't need to write this one. First we move 9 step. Right to the right from 0. First we move 9 step to right from first step to right from 0. Then we reach at 9. First step, reach at 9. Then we move 6 step. At the left side of 9 and reach at 3. So the answer will be 9 minus 6 equal 3. So dear students, the first we move 9 step to right from to the right side or to right from 0 and reach 9. And then we move 6 step to the left, because minus 6 number, 6 step to the left of 9 and reach at 3. So dear students, first give attention. We will do the first step 9. The first we move up to 9. This is root to 9, up to 9. Dear students, give attention. This is initial step. This is the final step. Final step. And just arrow the line here where 9 is completed. So first we move 9 steps to the right from 0. From 0, move the 9 steps. This is the plus 9 number. This is the plus 9. Or we can write here, or if we use the black one, I think it will be better. This is the plus 9. Now, then we move 6 steps. Now, move the 6 step. Then we move the 6 step. 6 step. Then we move to the 6 step. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4, 5, 6. Then if we move to the 6th step, this is not look so good. Yes. And the number is, this is -6 and the number is for -6. The -6 always indicate us. So plus number direction always rightwards, negative number direction always leftward. Dear students, give attention. Positive number direction always rightward and the negative number direction always leftwards. So now the answer is C. Dear students, please let me know if you have any question. In the comment section you can write your opinion. Is it clear to you or not? Is Jahan okay? My dear students, try to avoid even keep comments. Can anyone tell me after we have which class? Delete this, no one. What will draw the number line in the pencil or pen? My dear students, please, if you have any question, please let me know. Or understood no question. Thank you, sir. If you have no question, Israt Jahan, absolutely right. Understood. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Sir, please. This is the solution line here. What is the page number? The page number is 87. Dear students, sir, why 6 is negative here? Why 6 is negative? Okay, we can use two different method here. 6 is negative. You can write here two different step. একজন প্রশ্ন করেছিল যে 6 এখানে নেগেটিভ হবে কেন? দেখো, যখন তোমাকে বলবে 9 - 6, এই নাম্বারটাকে আমরা দুটো স্টেপে লিখতে পারি, 9 প্লাস উইথ -6. Actually, subtraction, difference is a one kind of addition. This is the number, is negative number. So dear students, here, okay, if we add the line here, -9 6 equal 9 plus and the -6. I think now this one will be easy for you to write this step by step. First line, my dear student, this is the first line, then start the step writing. The first 9 minus 6, the difference is one kind of addition, 9 added with -6. So first line is plus 6, second line is minus 6. So dear students, in times of difference, like another one, 5 minus 2, this one will be 3. If we write here 5 plus with minus 2, this one also be 3. So dear students, so first line you can write this one, then writing this step. Now I think concept is clear. Why 6 is negative meter? Yeah, thank you sir. I think now you got the point. Any more question, please, my dear students? Please let me know if you have any more questions. Sir, do we have to draw the number line with pen or pencil? Definitely you have to use pencil, no pen. In times of drawing the number line, you have to use here pencil, no number, no pen. Sir, I didn't understand. Nirav Khan, Nirav. Sir, which one you didn't understand? The first one or the second one? Okay, Amit Baba, I want to discuss first. Give attention properly. This is the second part. So, this is the second part question. First part already done. Addition, the sum already done. Now we are doing here the difference. Difference of 9 and 6. So difference of 9 and 6, basically 9 minus 6. We all know this one will be 3. And then now 9 minus 6, just we converted the difference one as a plus. So now plus minus minus. So we can write here minus 6 as a the 9 added with minus 6. This is indicate as 9 minus 6. So now first step, count the 9 up. This is a positive number up to 9 step from the right side of 0. And then we added here minus 6. So this minus 6 indicate as 6 step left side from the number where the first line is completed. So first line of the first arrow completed at 9, and the second number started from 9 and completed at 3. That's why our final answer is 3. So dear students, any more questions? Now we will discuss one new important topics. এখন তোমাদের যদি আর কোনো sir, what does it say? Can anyone tell me after having which class in science? Why do you write that? Why would you write that? Sir, এই টপিকসটা যদি তোমাদের কারো যদি এখানে একটু ডিফিকাল্ট মনে হয়, তাহলে তোমরা দেখবে যদি মাইনাস দিয়ে কোনো নাম্বার থাকে নরমালি, জাস্ট গিভ অ্যাটেনশন, আমরা একটু আলাদাভাবে দেখাই। ডিফারেন্সের কতগুলো एग्जांपल আছে তোমাদের বইতে 9 6। এখন খেয়াল করো, যদি তোমাকে ডিফারেন্স বের করতে বলে লাইক 3 5, দেখো যখন নেগেটিভ করবা ডিফারেন্স বের করলে এখানে যে নাম্বারটি থাকবে তার অপোজিট ডিরেকশন হবে। লাইক দিস ইজ দ্য রাইট সাইড, দিস ইজ দ্য লেফট সাইড। আমরা যদি এখান থেকে কাউন্ট হিসাব করি 0 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 -1 -2 -3 -4. Give attention. Now if we find the difference of 3 and -5, the first step আমরা সবাই জানি যে ফার্স্ট নাম্বারটা যদি পজিটিভ হয় then this one will be positive direction. এইটুকু আমাদের সবার কনসেপ্ট ক্লিয়ার। This is up to 3. এখন দেখো যখন তুমি ডিফারেন্স বের করবে সেটা অলমোস্ট অ্যাডিশনের অপোজিট, যেটা আমরা অ্যাড করি সেই অ্যাডিশনের অপোজিট। এখন যখন তোমার ডিফারেন্স কার ডিফারেন্স 5 এর ডিফারেন্স, যখন এই ডিফারেন্স বের করবে দেন এই +5 নাম্বারটিকে আমরা -5 আকারে সেটা তার অ্যাডিটিভ ইনভার্স আকারে বের করব, কারণ একটা মাইনাস সাইন দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে সেটা অপোজিটলি তার অ্যাডিটিভ ইনভার্স হয়। এই অ্যাডিটিভ ইনভার্সের টপিকটা আমরা এর পরের ক্লাসে ডিসকাস করব। শুধু এইটুকু মনে রাখো যে মাইনাস দিয়ে যখন তুমি কোন নাম্বারের ডিফারেন্স বের করবা, রাইট সাইডের নাম্বারটার অপোজিট হবে। তাহলে রাইট সাইডের নাম্বার হচ্ছে 5, তাহলে তার অপোজিট হচ্ছে -5। তাহলে আমরা -5 স্টেপ আমরা এখানে চলে আসব। -5, this is -5, this number is +3. Now complete answer is The number second line completed at -2. So answer is 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 equals to -2. This is our answer. শুধু এইটুকু মনে রাখো, যদি ডিফারেন্স বের করতে বলে তাহলে এটার অপোজিট নাম্বারটি আসবে। যেমন এখানে 5, তাহলে তার অপোজিটের নাম্বার হচ্ছে ইন্টিজার হচ্ছে -5, অ্যাডিটিভ ইনভার্স, তাহলে তার অ্যাডিটিভ ইনভার্স হচ্ছে -5 হবে। আমরা আরো একটা एग्जांपल দিয়ে একটু দেখাচ্ছি, তোমরা আই থিং এখনো অনেকেই কনফিউজড। যেমন দেখো, যদি আমরা আরেকটা एग्जांपल দিয়ে একটু ক্লিয়ার করি, লাইক 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2। সো ফার্স্ট আমরা কি করব, এখানে ফার্স্ট স্টেপে আপ টু 4, এইটুকু তো আমরা সবাই জানি যে ফার্স্ট স্টেপ আপ টু 4, দিস ইজ দ্য +4। এখন এটা কি আমার এডিশন না সাবট্রাকশন? এটা যদি আমার সাবট্রাকশন হয় তাহলে যে নাম্বারটি থাকবে তার যে সাবট্রাকশনের কারণে সেটা তার অ্যাডিটিভ ইনভার্স বসবে। তাহলে যে নাম্বার হচ্ছে নেক্সট 2, যেহেতু ডিফারেন্স বের করব 2 এর, তার অ্যাডিটিভ ইনভার্স হচ্ছে -2, তাহলে আমরা -2 স্টেপ ব্যাক করব। -2 স্টেপ আমরা এখানে ব্যাক করব, করলে সেটা কোথায় মিট করবে? ফার্স্ট লাইন কমপ্লিটেড এট 4, সেকেন্ড লাইন কমপ্লিটেড এট 2। সো আনসার ইজ, দিস আনসার উইল বি 2। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, any more question please? Any more question? Now I will give you one homework. My dear students, if you have any question, please let me know. Thanks sir. Yes, Ahmed, Morshed, Farjana. Okay. Dear students, please note down this one. I am giving you similar maths as a homework. Arrange the above integers according to their values. Arrange means ascending order or descending order. Like which one is ascending order? Which one is the smallest, or smallest to greater one, or greater one to smallest one? Arrange the above integers according to their values. Number B. Determine -10 plus -5 minus -15 minus 15 minus 20 plus 9 minus 10, the minus 10 minus 5, there is no minus 5, just use here 5 minus 5 and the plus 20. Number C, by using number like add, by using number line, by using number line, find the difference, do add, find the sum of, find the sum of minus 10 and 5 and difference of minus 10 and 5. So dear students, this is your homework. First question, minus 10, 5, minus 15, minus 20 and 9 are 5 integers. Arrange the above integers according to their value. According to their values. Okay. And just arrange the data from ascending order to descending order to ascending order or ascending order to descending order by using the relation symbol. So the second question is determine minus 10 plus 5 minus 15 minus first bracket minus 20 plus 9. By using number line, find the sum of minus 10 and 5 and the difference of minus 10 and 5. Dear students, if you have any more questions, so you will get allow in the next Zoom class. Hopefully see again with you in the next Zoom classes. তোমাদের আজকে যদি কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকে অথবা এই প্রশ্নের যদি আনসারে তোমাদের কারো যদি কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকে কালকে জুমের ক্লাসে তোমরা আমার সাথে কথা বলতে পারবে। সো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, সবাই আজকে একটু ট্রাই করবে এই ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেনটি করার জন্য, যাতে কালকের ক্লাসের আগেই তুমি আমাকে কোনো প্রবলেম থাকলে সেটি শেয়ার করতে পারবে। আশা করি কালকে তোমাদের যেহেতু জুমে ক্লাস হবে, সো কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকলে আজকে আমরা কথা বলবো। তাহলে আমাদের টোটাল এক্সারসাইজ 3.3 এর মধ্যে আমাদের কাজ কমপ্লিট হলো। নাম্বার 11 থেকে নাম্বার 14 এর কাজ টোটালি আমাদের কমপ্লিট। আমরা নেক্সট ক্লাসে কিছু এমসিকিউ নিয়ে ডিসকাস করব নাম্বার 1 থেকে নাম্বার 10। আমরা কালকে জুম ক্লাসে নাম্বার 1 থেকে নাম্বার 10 এই এমসিকিউ গুলো নিয়ে ডিসকাস করব। অলরেডি উই হ্যাভ ডান 11 টু নাম্বার 14। সো এই এমসিকিউ গুলোর সাথে রিলেটেড আরো কিছু নতুন নতুন টপিকস আমরা ডিসকাস করব, যেগুলো নরমালি নাম্বার লাইন ইন্টিজারস এর সাথে কানেক্টেড। So dear students, if you have no more questions, so I am going to leave now. Please let me know any more question. Please let me know any more question. Okay, sir. So dear students, hopefully see again with in the next classes, and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe Triangular Kamal. Allah Hafiz, thank you.